Welcome to the AutoCampaigns overview tutorial video. In this video, we are going to go over the basic terms and concepts of managing AutoCampaigns. To navigate to AutoCampaigns, click on this button or go to Engage and find the AutoCampaign option. Then click Create. First, enter a name for your reference later on. Then choose a time duration for this campaign to run. For our purposes, we'll leave it at unlimited. If you so wish, you can choose from the pre-made AutoCampaign templates for birthday reminders, coupon reminders, and more. We'll cover the campaign re-entry options after we've gone through the rest of the AutoCampaign. Before we continue, let's all get on the same page. What is an AutoCampaign? It's a simple way to create a complete interaction between yourself and your contacts. The great thing about AutoCampaigns is that it acts as a marketer for your contact's point of view, but you're really just setting up rules that will manage your messages, coupons, and more to maintain and improve your relationships with your contacts. They can look something like this. As you can see, an AutoCampaign is essentially a flowchart of actions, timers, and filters that you set up. And that leads us to our next topic, the components that make up an AutoCampaign. Every AutoCampaign is made up of three types of titles: actions, timers, and filters. Here's what you could do with them. Actions, which are green tiles, are performed by the system. They include things like sending a message and adding a contact to a distribution list. What if you want some time between your actions? The yellow tiles, which are timers, can be set off either by our organization or your contacts. They let you wait for a specific action to happen or pause the AutoCampaign for a time period. Filters, which are blue tiles, let you qualify contacts based on the actions, behaviors, and more. This way you can separate contacts based on real-time and relevant information. Lastly, the end button, which is a black box, finalizes the action for the branch. Each branch needs an end box in order to complete an AutoCampaign. Going back to our flowchart, let's explore a little bit about how everything works and what you can do. Anytime a tile is red, it means it hasn't been completed. You'll still be able to work on other tiles, however, you will not be able to save or activate your AutoCampaign until there are no more red tiles. The link under the header lets you select the detail of the action. For example, if you see a select keyword as your action, then you will click the link below to see the particular keyword to use. The letter and the number combination at the bottom right corner can be seen at the box's address, and it identifies the position of this tile. If something needs to be fixed or is incomplete, the system will indicate it to you using the address of the box. The pencil icon will let you edit the tile and select another feature to use. Check if and wait for are the only two tile types that result in two branches. What does this mean? Let us use check if as an example. If we were to tell the system to check if a contact received the message, there will be two different groups of contacts. One with contacts that received the message and another that didn't. The branch lets you use the different groups so you can respond to them accordingly. When you edit a tile with branches to a tile that doesn't split into branches, you will be asked which branch to keep under the new tile. You can also swap branches without changing the tile configuration. The X button you see at the top right corner will reset the box and delete all the tiles under it. You will be able to select a new action as well as the details. Now that we've talked about the different components of an AutoCampaign and how the tiles work, what happens with the contacts that run through your entire AutoCampaign? Should they be able to re-enter your AutoCampaign? What if they're in the middle of the campaign? Should they be able to set off the initial trigger again and start over? There are three different re-entry settings. The first option means a contact cannot restart an AutoCampaign after setting off the initial trigger once. This is beneficial if you want to make sure contacts only get through your campaign once. This second option means that in order for contacts to re-enter the AutoCampaign, they must have gone through the entire campaign. If they are in the middle of an AutoCampaign and they set off the initial trigger again, nothing will happen. This is beneficial if you want to make sure contacts don't receive the same messages, coupons, and anything else until they've completed the campaign. The third option means that contacts can re-enter an auto campaign from the beginning no matter what position they are in the campaign. This setting would be beneficial for loyalty programs since customers may visit or purchase multiple times in a time period, and they should be able to restart the auto campaign based on their latest action. Lastly, click Save and Activate to get your auto campaign going. This sums up our overview of auto campaigns. You can check our videos in the Learning Center and learn how to create a campaign on how to send a birthday message and more. Thanks for watching.